Hi, welcome to Animal-Me.com's Pet Product Review of the Week. Today we'll be reviewing the Fussie Cat Premium Chicken and Vegetables Cat Food. Today I went to the Animal Expo in Orange County, California, and the people at Fussie Cat were giving out samples. So let's take a look at the can. Okay, there it is. And then the cat and the food. That cat looks hungry. Okay, it says, so tasty your cat can't resist. 5-star gourmet. Low fat and 2.82 ounces and 80 grams. Okay, now we're going to look at the quality ingredients. I'll read some of them to you. It says boneless chicken, water for processing, carrots, potato, tapioca starch, green peas, sunflower seed oils, and other more vitamins. Okay, and then we have guaranteed analysis. So it has protein, fat, fiber, moisture, magnesium, omega-6 fatty acids. Alright, let me pause a sec there so you guys can read it. Okay, and now we're going to the feeding instructions. So it has for kittens, adult cats, pregnant cats, lactating cats. So, let's see, I have an adult cat, so I'll be reading that. Feed 1 can daily per 4 pounds of body weight. Okay, and the calorie contents. Metabolized energy, 600 kcal per kilograms. And then 48 kcal per can. Then, okay, so let me pause that. Right, and now right here at the bottom we have the website, their website there, their address right there, and telephone number. And at the bottom it says 100% satisfaction guaranteed, made in Thailand. Pause it one more time so you guys can read it. And now let's see what's inside. Hold on a sec. As soon as I opened it, my cat came running in to go take a look what he smelled. Look at him. That's Batman. If you guys don't know. Hey, say hi, Batman. Alright. So, here's the cat food. So, let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the can. Look at him. So he'll probably be eating it while I check it out. And don't forget, this is the chicken and vegetable formula and gravy. Okay. That's good right there. Okay, so this looks good. So you got the chicken pieces here. Nice good chicken piece. Look at him. He's hungry. You got your peas. There's the peas and some carrots. Looks like carrots. And let's see. Oh, there's these. Potato. That's potato. And let's see. Oh, look, here's some more peas. I don't think he's actually eating the vegetables. Looks like he's just licking the gravy juice. Batman, do you like it? Look, he's taking a break. So it actually This can is pretty big inside. There's more than I expected. Alright, so thank you for watching. The cat has finished his meal for the afternoon and he's ready to leave. He's waiting by the door to leave to go on with the rest of his day. Thank you for watching, and please check out the website www.animal-me.com, and also check out my blog the.animal-me.com, and see you around.